Hello, my dear learners. I hope that you are fine and in a good health. Today we are going to continue our journey in learning how to pronounce in a proper way. Today we are going to practice blending sounds, CVC words. And let me review with you again. C refers to consonant, V refers to vowel, C refers to consonant too. Now, I have this letter. What is its sound? A, A, A. And I have T, T, T. By blending A, T, at, at, at. Now, this new sound, I can add any consonant to it, and this is gonna form for me a new word. And it has to be a meaningful word too. Let's read together. I have at, and the first letter is K, so it becomes cat. Well done. Which one do you think is cat? Yes, you are right. It's the first one. Let's try another one. As we agreed before, I have at, and I added to it h, so it becomes hat, hat. Which picture shows hat? Yes, you are right. It's a hat that we wear it in hot days. Let's try another one. I have at and I added b, so it becomes bat, bat, bat. Do we blend only a and t to give me at? No. I can blend also a with n. So it's gonna be an, an, an. I have here an, and I added only f to it. So let's try to read the word fan, fan. Which picture shows fan? Yes, you are right. It's this one. We need the fan in hot days to give us cool air. Let's try another one. I have an, and I'm going to add the to it. So it's going to be van, van, van. Well done. Now, let's try adding m, man, man, man. Well done. How about this one? Yes. Pan, pan, pan. Do we blend only a and t to give me at, or a and n to give me an? No, I can blend a with any consonant letter and then add another consonant letter and try to form a meaningful word. It has to have a meaning. This is if I want to use it in writing. How about if I want just to practice reading? Yes, you can do and add any letter you want. Just blend a with consonant, then add in the beginning another consonant and try to pronounce this new word that you formed. Later on, I'm going to help you to find the meaning of this word by using the dictionary. Like here, I can blend a with m, so it becomes am. By adding h to it, it forms for me a new word. It's ham, ham. Let's try another blending. I can blend a with p, app, app. By adding t, it becomes tap, tap. Also, I can blend it with g, ag, ag. By adding b to it, it becomes bag, bag. Now your homework, try to form as much as you can, CVC, and try to pronounce them. Again, let me review with you. C means consonant, V means vowel, and the other C is consonant too. Form them, pronounce, and send me back to check. Waiting for your homework.